start.
CSI,
Saving
the world with silicon carbide.
Scene 1. The crime.
These bags are so... Oh, my watch fell. No, the robber got away with my watch. Hello, is this the CSI?
The investigation.
So did you hear the diamond?
What, the watch? Oh, lady rocking with the diamond watch. Where'd she get all the money?
I think she waited for her husband to die.
I'm never getting married.
Red robot!
Oh, thank goodness for Carbide.
You can say that again.
Oh, look, let's see what this old gold digger has to say.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day. I'm Eric Dalco.
Nice to meet you.
Horatio Kane.
Nice to meet you.
Can you tell us what happened?
I was walking with my groceries and I dropped my watch by mistake, and then this robber came out of nowhere and he picked it up and he ran away, and as he ran away he dropped it. He said something about it being not valuable, but I don't understand. It's diamonds.
Well, we'll try and get you a diamond watch back. If you dropped it, we'll just check this area.
Can you check the area? Can I get an identification, please?
Well, he was medium height, I think, and he was wearing all black, a beanie with a hoodie. You can see his face. But he was very clumsy. He like tripped twice. So, yeah.
Are you sure it's the man?
Yes, I was pretty sure it's a man.
Horatio, you might want to check this out.
Hold on a second, ma'am.
Oh, do you think this is it? Maybe, probably. Do that.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Can you identify
That's my watch!
Okay. We'll be taking this to the lab.
Don't damage it. It's very valuable.
Yes, I
it's
can
diamond.
see. Shiny. Won't damage it.
Scene 3. The discovery.
Hey guys, I found some important information about our so-called diamond watch. It's not actually diamond. It's silicon carbide, which was discovered by E.G. Atkinson in 1892. It's a chemical compound made of silicon and carbon, and naturally it occurs as moissanite, and in its purest form is white and colorless, which would explain why Mrs. Fig and the jeweler thought it was diamond.
Yeah. Well, that must have been one heck of a smart robber if he could tell that this was silicon carbide rather than diamond just from the looks of it.
Definitely.
Hey, I think I've heard of silicon carbide before. Isn't it found in bulletproof vests and car brakes?
Yes, the ceramic plates they use is silicon carbide. And, yes, brakes too. Well, it's a good thing of that. Well, we would have died a few minutes ago with my little mishap and all those times we were shot at.
Well, the silicon carbide literally saves our lives every day.
Yes.
Definitely.
I think we should do a bit more research on it.
Yeah.
We should see guys like a density of 1.
Hey guys, by the looks of it, the jeweler and Miss Peach weren't the only people who mistaking silicon carbide for diamonds. Henry Martin also, while examining a meteor crater, thought that identified silicon carbide as diamonds. But luckily, thanks to scientific knowledge, we realized it was just carbon and silicon.
Yeah, well, these do look like diamonds. Oh, let's have a closer look at it now, shall we? Well, there we have it, the microscopic structure of silicon carbide.
I believe that the yellow atoms are silicon and the pink atoms are carbon.
Well, that would make sense because silicon has a valency of +4 and it's making 4 bonds with the carbon. And according to the electronegativity, which is calculated to be 0.7, this is a covalent bond.
These look like very strong bonds that form a crystal lattice. This results in the properties of silicon carbide being very strong and hard.
Yeah, and I believe the ceramic plates are also used in air shuttles, which, when in space, is really hot. So they have a very high melting point, which just so happens to be, I believe, 2,730 degrees Celsius.
It
A
also
lot.
has very good mechanical properties and the low density.
Oh, that would explain.
Oh, that would explain why it floats on water
That's it.
as fake diamonds usually do.
Yep, definitely. Well, we better go break the news to Miss Fig that her precious, valuable diamond watch isn't so
Precious after all.
precious after all. Yeah.
The next day.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Fig.
Good afternoon, officers. Did you find anything about my very valuable watch?
Well, we have good and bad news.
See, the good news is the thief was found and he's in jail
Goody!
for one night.
One night?
Well, you see, he did steal it, but then he dropped it and on purpose, and you said so yourself.
I suppose so.
And now for the bad news.
Well, you say, your precious watch, yes, it's not so precious after all. See, it's not actually diamonds, it's silicon.
What do you mean it's not diamonds?
It's silicon carbide. A lot of people make that mistake, ma'am.
I paid a lot of money for this very valuable watch,
Well,
and now
you-
you say it's not very valuable.
Your jeweler must have also thought it was diamonds. I mean,
Or maybe he was just a youngster scamming me like you youngsters do these days.
maybe. Well,
I don't want it anymore. It's bit rain.
Well, ma'am, that's not going to make much of a difference. One of its properties is extreme hardness.
highly doubt.
Scene 1. The crime.
This guy got my watch! Oh no! The robber has got my watch! Hello? Is this... Scene 2. The investigation.